In the heavily secured residential area, Russian forces conducted meticulous reconnaissance, utilizing advanced drone technology. They successfully detected the enemy's drone control point, located in one of the buildings. From this analysis, the Russian forces confirmed that the enemy controlled not just one building, but several locations used as temporary strongholds. Recognizing the potential for a greater threat, Russian air forces acted immediately. With high precision, 3 FAB 500 bombs were dropped on the enemy's position, resulting in a massive explosion that shook the ground. In an instant, the strike caused a violent collapse, trapping enemy forces beneath the rubble. The overwhelming force of the attack prevented any chance of escape, effectively neutralizing the threat in the area. Although some buildings remained standing, none were spared from further destruction. Using kamikaze drones and explosive-laden drones, Russia launched consecutive attacks until all of the enemy's hideouts were completely destroyed, eliminating any remaining threat in the area. After successfully neutralizing the threat in the residential area, Russian forces quickly turned their attention to the Kharkov region, where they launched a coordinated and deadly assault. The calculations from the self-propelled howitzers 2S-19 and towed howitzers 2A-65 successfully destroyed drone launch points, mortar positions, and Ukrainian infantry with extraordinary precision. Supported by reconnaissance units, the enemy's drone launch points were detected, and the coordinates were immediately relayed to the artillery units. Using a digital targeting system and automated ammunition loading, the 2S-19 howitzers delivered devastating fire, crippling the enemy's ability to continue air assaults. At the same time, the 2A-65 units targeted and destroyed enemy mortar positions, providing protection to advancing Russian infantry. This success was greatly aided by aerial reconnaissance, which accurately mapped the enemy's firing positions. After completing their mission, the artillery units quickly camouflaged their positions to avoid counter-detection. Moving on to Kherson, Russian forces successfully identified and destroyed a hidden enemy mortar position with extreme precision. The reconnaissance team, employing advanced technology, pinpointed the location of the camouflaged mortar, a target nearly unreachable by the naked eye. Once the coordinates were received, the attack began with a kamikaze drone swiftly making its way to the enemy position, destroying it with high precision. Following the drone strike, Russian artillery units continued with 3 precise rounds that hit the mortar position and enemy soldiers hiding in nearby buildings.
Цели готов! Орудие! Выстрел! Выстрел!
The collaboration between kamikaze drones and artillery fire showcased an efficient and lethal tactic, decimating the enemy's defenses with speed and extraordinary accuracy. Through perfect coordination between reconnaissance, kamikaze drones, and high-precision artillery, Russian forces successfully destroyed various strategic enemy positions across the Kherson, Kharkov, and residential areas. These structured and efficient attacks not only eliminated the enemy's threats, but also demonstrated the superiority of modern tactics that leverage advanced technology to achieve objectives with exceptional speed and precision. Each strike, from the destruction of drone launch points to mortar positions and enemy troops, illustrates the power of synergy between different military units mastering the battlefield.